Hello everyone and welcome back to Region Verse Council Educational Hub. I'm sure you're glad to be back again and I'm glad to have you back in my channel. Today I will teach you how you can get your Nigerian passport for free. So first thing, head over to passport.immigration.gov.ng. Yes, this is the official website. So all you need to do is to be logged into the website. So let's wait for it to load. While loading up, you need to note that for this, you can generate for yourself and book an appointment date after payment. Then you can go in to do your biometrics. After getting your biometric done, you can either pay for a courier to deliver it to your doorstep or you go there to pick it up. So if you're applying from outside Nigeria, click on the apply for Nigeria outside Nigeria button. Otherwise, click on the continue button. Now this passport application services, we have a lot of things where we can do with that. We can apply for fresh passport, we can apply for renewal, we can apply for correction of data. Now if you stopped your applications halfway, you can click on it to resume your pending application. Now I'm going to apply for a fresh passport, so let's just head over to what do you want to do today. What you actually need for this is your NIN and your photograph alongside your other documents which I'll be showing you. So first of all, you can text your photo upload before you even continue with it because there is a requirement for your passport size and it must be compliant. So let's click on apply for a fresh passport now. Like I said earlier on, fill in your NIN number. I'll be blurring all these parts because of some details, and I know if I expose it, YouTube might flag my video down. So once I type it in, it will validate my details. So it brought out my name, my date of birth and all of that, and continue to payment. So the next step is for you to put your passport type. Now since we are applying within Nigeria, type of citizen, obviously let's choose birth. We are born in Nigeria. Then processing states, where do you want it to be processed? I'll choose Lagos based on I'm in Lagos already. So let's look on Lagos. Then processing office. Let's choose we have different processing office in Lagos. We have Alausa. So if you choose the one closest to you, we have Alimosho, Festa, Ikorodu. Let me click on Alausa. Then passport type. Well, there's a 36 pages passport and we have there's a 32 pages passport, and we have 64 pages passport. So 64 pages, if you are a frequent traveler and you like it a lot of countries, you can go for that option. If you know you just want to go for studies and just for vacation once in a while, you can just look on there's 2 pages, but you know that the prices are not the same. So the price for a 32-page passport will look the same with a 64-page passport. 64-page passport, the price is 100,000 naira, while for a 32 pages passport, the price is 50,000 naira. Now you may ask, what is the difference again? Difference with 32 pages is valid for 5 years. Now for 64 pages, it is valid for 10 years. So after you have clicked on it, let's go for the 32 pages. Then I'll click on I hereby confirm that I have checked the appointment availability at the chosen processing office. So once you validate this and click on continue, it will lead me to entering my personal details. So Based on the fact we have already started with our NIN, it will just pop up your details. So if there's anything that you made a mistake or made a mistake, you will be asked to correct it. Now, this is the next step. Passport photograph. Upload a passport photograph. Already we have tested this photo to ensure that this is the correct image size. Now, it should not be important. It should have a white background. Image size should be less than 2 MB. So you can use I love DDF to compress the image if it's more than 2 MB. Now, please, this reference number. Copy this reference number very well for the application process. Now, we are going to personal details. So, place of birth, fill it in. This is a detail that already you know that should be filled in by you. So, just fill it properly. You know what to fill in this point. In this place, fill it in correctly, and we'll head over to the next step in a while. So the next step is contact information, and I filled it in. After that, filling next of kin information. I just skip 2 steps because it's just your information. Next step is upload supporting documents. We have the birth certificate, we have local government certificate of indiship. So already you should have those documents ready. So the ones in asterisk are the important ones that you should upload. The other ones, no need to upload them, except you just want to prove a point to them that you are actually a citizen of Nigeria, and not to also just show them why they should accept you for your application, accept the application. So other than that, let's just choose a file from this. Document should not be bigger than 2 MB. So you can compress everything you want to compress. Sorry, this is not a new document. I'm just using this for tutorial. So continue, and will be asked to pay the sum of 50,000 naira for this video. I'm not paying it, but this is just the steps whereby you can just take to get all this done. When you get to step 7, passport delivery option, how would you like to receive your passport? Pick up your passport at the Immigration Processing Center or courier service. Additional fees will apply. So pick it up, because why not? So once you click on pick it up, to show you all your details, like a preview of all your details. So make sure everything is correct. Make sure it is correct, then you can continue to payment, and you'll be asked to pay the sum of 50,000 naira, and you'll be scheduled for a certain date. So make sure you go early on your appointment dates and do the needful. Take along all necessary documents. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. If you don't understand anything or you need my help, ask in the comment section. Bye.